First, write on the given data. A 3300 by 220 volts 30 kVA single phase transformer. So first rating is given. Rating of the transformer is 30 kVA. That is equal to 30 into 10 cube. So this kilo means 1000 volt amperes. So 30,000 volt amperes is the rating of the transformer. Next, 3300 by 220 volts. This indicates that this is E1 value and this is E2 value. Induced EMF in primary, induced EMF in secondary. So those two values are given. E1 is equal to 3300 volts and E2 value is 220 volts. Takes a no load current of 1.5 amperes. So no load current means when the transformer is operating under no load, the primary current drawn is 1.5 amperes. When the low voltage winding is open, that means one of the winding is open, that means secondary terminals are left open. So no load current we will indicate with I naught. So that I naught value is given, that is 1.5 amperes. Next, the iron loss component is 0.4 amperes. See, our no load current is the sum of iron loss component and magnetizing component. IW is nothing but core loss component or iron loss component, or simply it is a loss. This current indicates the loss. So that's why it is called loss component. IW is the iron loss component and IM is the magnetizing component of current that is used to magnetize the core. So magnetizing component we have to find. So IM value we have to find out. IW value is given. IW value is 0.4 amperes. So these are the given values. Now let's see what we have to find out. The first one is no load input power. No load input power is, we can indicate with W naught. That yesterday we derived the formula, that is V naught I naught cos phi naught, or V1 I naught cos phi naught. These are the values under no load condition. Generally the power formula is Vi cos phi. Here the no load current, so I naught. Voltage also under no load, V naught. The phase angle difference between these two is cos phi naught. Now what about this V naught value? This is the transformer symbolic representation. We had given two voltages, 3300 by 220. So which one is primary? 3300 is primary, 220 is secondary. E1 means primary voltage. So this side voltage is 3300 and this side voltage is 220 volts. And the secondary terminals are left open, low voltage terminals. So V naught value, so from this we can say that V naught is 3300 volts. I naught value we know that is 1.5 amperes. Then what about cos phi naught? How can we find cos phi naught? No load power factor. Have you remember the formulas for IW and IM? Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. IW formula is I naught cos phi naught. This we had derived in the last class. IW is equal to I naught cos phi naught. IM is equal to I naught sin phi naught. So IW value is given 0.4. I naught value is also given 1.5 amperes. Then we can find out cos phi naught from this. So cos phi naught is equal to IW by I naught. So 0.4 by 1.5 amperes. This is the value, it will be 0.2667. So cos phi naught value is also known. Now we can easily find out the no load input power. So therefore W naught is equal to V naught is 3300 into I naught 1.5 into cos phi naught 0.2667. The second one, what we have to find? Magnetizing component. That means IM we have to find out. Magnetizing current IM is equal to I naught sin phi naught. This is the formula for IM. See, cos phi naught value we know that is 0.2667. So from that find out phi naught. Cos phi naught is 0.2667. From this pi naught value is cos inverse 0.2667. So then you can find out the IM value. IM is equal to I naught. I naught value is 1.5 into sine of phi naught. Phi naught value is this. What is the value you got? Tell me the value. What is the phi naught value?
74.5.
74.53. Then IM value 1.4456 amperes. And third one, what we have to find? Power factor of no load current. Power factor of no load current means cos phi naught. Under no load, the power factor is cos phi naught. So cos phi naught value already we found it, that is 0.2667. Power factor of no load current is cos phi naught, that is 0.2667. If you know the formulas IM and IW and W naught, this is very easy. Otherwise, it will be very difficult. These problems has a chance to come in the external exam. All of you understand the problem?